Early to my own misery party when God specifically told me to be late. Since 10th grade I've been fucked. I call for help and only see my demons show up. One of them passed me a double cup, then they passed me another one, then I asked for another one. As time passes, they become my slave master. Stuck in a cage, been here a couple of days. Guess they ain't stuck in his ways. He got the prettiest face, don't he? It's crazy to think God the one that painted the face on him. He's staring at me. If I keep looking back, I'm a goner.
No, it's like,
RP.